Hey guys, how to turn off call recording on iPhone. So go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll a little bit down to find apps, and then try to pin down phone. Click phone, and then scroll a little bit down to find calls or call recording, excuse me, and then go ahead and shut it down. Alright, this will remove the call recording button from your call screen or from the call screen, preventing you from recording calls. Note that this only disables your ability to record, not the ability of others to record calls with you. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.